أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
ألف لام ميم.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. Alif Lam Mim.
ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين.
This is the book. There is no doubt about it. A guide for those mindful of Allah.
الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Who believe in the unseen, establish prayer, and donate from what we have provided for them.
والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون.
And who believe in what has been revealed to you, O Prophet, and what was revealed before you, and have sure faith in the hereafter.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
It is they who are truly guided by their Lord, and it is they who will be successful.
إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
As for those who persist in disbelief, it is the same whether you warn them or not. They will never believe.
ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Allah has sealed their hearts and their hearing, and their sight is covered. They will suffer a tremendous punishment.